Hi there. Next on graphing is the graphing of the function y equals cosine 2x over 1 period. So similar to the sine function, we need to identify the period of the graph and the amplitude of the graph. So we start with the period. So let's just name it as p. Period is 2 pi over b. Now b is the coefficient of x. So our b here is 2. So 2 pi over b is 2 pi over 2, or simply pi. So the period of cosine 2x is pi. The amplitude, which can be written as the absolute value of a. So a is the number here. It's not there, but we know it's 1. So it's the absolute value of 1. So this is equal to 1. Okay. So let's graph. So last time we have a compressed graph for sine. So let's make by 4. So this is 4, another 4, then another 4, then another 4. Okay, we plot the period pi, and then we get the middle. So this will be here. So get the half pi over 2, half it again. Half of pi over 2 is pi over 4. That's 1 half of pi over 2. And then between pi over 2 and pi is 3 times pi over 4, or simply 3 pi over 4. Now, the amplitude is 1. So let's say we use 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 1. And it can go only as low as 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 scales. This is negative 1. Okay, so how to graph? Again, you can do it one by one. So note y is cosine 2x. You can do it one by one. When x is equal to 0, you solve cosine of 2 times 0, then you solve. Okay, using your calculator, this will give you the value 1. And then y is equal to cosine 2. This time you put the pi over 4. By the way, when you use pi over 4 in the calculator, make sure that you change it into radians. Otherwise, it will give you a different number. If you compute for cosine 2 pi over 4, this will give you 0. Y equals cosine, so this time to pi over 2. This will give you negative 1. Y equals cosine 2 when the angle is 3 pi over 4. This will give you 0. And y equals cosine of 2 times pi. This will give you 1. Okay? So at 0, at angle 0, the value is 1. At pi over 4, it is 0. At pi over 2, it's negative 1. At 3 pi over 4, it is 0. And at pi, it is positive 1. So take note, the graph of cosine is still a wave. Okay, so a wave. So just connect them in such a way that you can indicate a wave-like pattern. Okay, so put arrows on the left and on the right to indicate that this will repeat the pattern. Okay, now, so you might be asking, is there a faster way of plotting the points aside from computing the numbers? Again, same with the sine function, you just need to identify the pattern. Normally for cosine, it starts with at the amplitude, then you cross the x-axis on the first angle, and then down to the lowest point, you cross the max. So max cross lowest cross max. Okay, but if you want to be sure of the numbers, you have to do it one by one, so find the exact numbers. Okay, so that's the graph for cosine 2x over 1 period.